Hi, welcome to the KaiNexus Continuous Improvement Podcast. I'm Mark Graben, a senior advisor with KaiNexus. Today, we're sharing audio from 3 different videos that were published together on the KaiNexus YouTube channel. I'll put a link to that in the show notes. So it would be 3 video clips or the audio from the videos featuring Tory Schrock, the Director of Organizational Excellence at Pella Regional Health Center. In this first clip, Tory talks about how they set up their middle managers for success within KaiNexus.
Our latest iteration of making the software valuable to middle management is creating a series of boards so all of our quality, service, and patient safety data is available for every manager. Any given time, they can go in and print the most recent board to see their status of how they're doing, to be able to track specific goals over time. They can look at it hourly, daily, monthly. And because our safety incidents are reported right through KaiNexus, that stuff is available in real time. So as soon as that incident is in and the correct attribute is chosen, it's populating a graph in that department so that folks can really see how they're doing and know in real time. And that was a huge barrier we had. If you are only seeing your quality data once a month, how do you know if you're really moving the needle or not? And now they can look at it daily if they want to, look at it every hour if they want to try to see how they're doing over time. So that, I think, has been a game changer for us.
In this next clip, Tory shares their experience at Pella in consolidating platforms that they use in their organization and the benefit of using KaiNexus.
Healthcare is a huge industry. There are tons of products and services available. We're also relied upon to provide a whole host of services that not other industries necessarily have to. And so those of us that are on the administrative side of things really have to work hard to kind of minimize the number of softwares or vendors or things that they need to work with outside of their primary function, or else we'll lose them and they're not going to be able to participate with us on what we need to do. And so I think as we've talked about the cost of KaiNexus with some of our other facilities, I've urged them to reconsider how much money they're spending on all of their own purpose-built software. So one for complaints, one for grievances, one for safety reports or incidents. And if you don't have a system where you're able to produce real-time reports or real-time data, you're going to be behind.
In this final clip, Tory shares the benefits they've experienced of doing their improvement work in KaiNexus and the impactful ROI that has followed.
What we found with KaiNexus, we have the ability to have all of our users in the system at once. People can be looking at multiple cases at the same time. It doesn't require anyone to log out or log back in order for us to get in and work that. We also, because we're able to assign complaints and grievances to specific people, folks know what their next task is. There isn't a question of what's the recent update here, who's been working on this case, what's going on. It really allows us to say, okay, I've done my piece, now I'm handing this patient off to you, what's your piece, update the case, and go forward. And I think that's been super helpful for our organization for sure. We have 850 people in multiple different sites. We have 5 outlying clinics, as well as the main hospital facility. So we have quite a few different people in different parts of the region. So to be able to communicate within one software without having to have, file storage and sharing everywhere has been really a game changer for us. And I think when you look at the return on investment we're getting from what we're paying, it pays for itself time and time again.
To learn more about KaiNexus, visit our website at www.kainexus.com.